Hello everyone, how are you all? In this video, we are going to see which are the best 10 IELTS coaching in Bangalore. So, if you have clicked on this video, that means I guess you were searching for the best IELTS coaching in your locality or in Bangalore. So, yeah, here we are, instituterank.com, providing you the list of top 10 best IELTS coaching in Bangalore, which are ranked in consideration of various factors which we look for, like the infrastructure, the fee structure, student feedbacks, pass out results, student ratings, reviews, faculty teams, study material, etc. First in this list of best IELTS coaching in Bangalore would be Rank number 1, Plutus Academy. Plutus Academy is a sort of online institute that is helping students in the time of pandemic with its cheapest cost of quality courses. The IELTS course is tailor-made and when done with sincerity increases the chances of 7 plus bands in the examination. Rank number 2 would be the Hindu Zone Academy. The Hindu Zone Academy is also an online coaching institute and they provide one of the best study materials out there. They provide recorded live session for the students. Here all the test modules are prepared with perfection so that everyone can crack the IELTS examination. Rank number 3 would be Yojana Academy, Bangalore. Yojana Academy is an online platform that is providing knowledge to its students from the comfort of their house. They help students to hold command on English and also to develop their personality. Their address and all the necessary details are mentioned. Rank number 4 would be PrepStorm. PrepStorm is one of the leading IELTS coaching institutes of Bangalore that is giving wonderful results throughout its existence. The testimonials are the proof of its great success. It teaches lot of other languages than English. PrepStorm hails for its perfection in the IELTS module. Their address, contact number, and all the necessary details are mentioned, and also it's an offline mode of coaching. Fifth in the list of best IELTS coaching in Bangalore would be fifth, Hooray IELTS. Hooray deals in overseas education as it helps students to get admitted to universities in UK, USA, Canada, Germany, etc. Sounds interesting, right? Yes, it is. Their address and all the necessary details are mentioned which we require. So, these were the list of top 5. And if you want to know which are the rest of the coachings mentioned in this list, you must definitely visit the instituterank.com website. So I hope you all like this video, and if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such videos and for the videos of different examinations and which are the best coaching for different examinations. So thank you for watching. See you until next time.